In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this site cannot be accessed error on Google Chrome. If you're seeing that message, it usually means your browser or your computer has some outdated network information saved. We're going to clear that out in Chrome first, then refresh it at the system level, and finally verify everything is working. Start by opening Google Chrome. With Chrome open, click the address bar and type chrome/netinternals/DNS, then press enter. This opens Chrome's internal DNS page, which is where the browser keeps a small cache of recent website lookups. Clearing this cache can resolve situations where Chrome is trying to use stale information. On this page, find the option to clear the host cache and click Clear Cache. It happens instantly. There's no pop-up or confirmation needed. That takes care of Chrome's side. Next, we'll refresh the DNS information for Windows itself. Go to your computer's search box on the taskbar and open it. Type CMD. When you see command prompt in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because the command we're about to run needs elevated permissions to work properly. If you're prompted by a security dialog, confirm to continue. In the command prompt window, type the following command exactly and then press Enter ipconfig flushdns. There's a space between ipconfig and flushdns. This command clears the Windows DNS resolver cache, which forces your system to request fresh directions the next time you visit a website. You should see a message indicating the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once you see that, you can minimize the command prompt. We'll leave it open just in case, but we're done with it for now. Head back to Google Chrome and open a new tab. In the new tab, go to google.com, give the page a moment to load, and then press refresh. If the error was caused by cached DNS data, this should resolve it, and pages should start loading normally again. If the first refresh doesn't do it, try one more refresh so Chrome and Windows both use the clean, updated information you just cleared. That's it. By clearing Chrome's host cache and flushing the Windows DNS cache, you've removed the most common cause of the "this site can't be reached" error related to DNS issues. Keep these steps handy whenever you encounter similar problems, and you'll be back online quickly without changing any other settings.